In this video, we'll dive into the real differences between cruise lines, covering factors like food, service, entertainment, and the overall value for the price. Our goal is to help you select a cruise that truly matches the experience you're looking for, whether it's your first time or your 50th. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Here is a description of each cruise line and the type of cruiser they are mostly geared towards. These are the major cruise lines, starting with Carnival Cruise Line. Known for its fun ship atmosphere, Carnival offers a high-energy, value-oriented cruise experience. The ships are packed with activities, from water parks and thrill rides to lively bars and a wide array of dining options. They are a great choice for vacationers looking for a party atmosphere and a fun-filled, affordable getaway. Geared towards families, young couples, and groups of friends looking for a lively, social, and budget-friendly vacation. Royal Caribbean International Cruise Line is a leader in innovation, with some of the largest ships in the world featuring groundbreaking amenities like rock climbing walls, ice skating rinks, surf simulators, and even a skydiving experience. They offer a wide range of activities for all ages, with a focus on active and adventurous fun. Geared towards families with kids and teenagers, as well as couples and singles who want an action-packed vacation with a resort-like feel and plenty of onboard entertainment. Norwegian Cruise Line pioneered the concept of freestyle cruising, which means there are no set dining times or strict dress codes. The focus is on flexibility and a relaxed, laid-back experience. Their ships offer a wide variety of dining options, from casual to specialty restaurants, and a host of entertainment options, geared towards families, couples, and solo cruisers who prefer a more relaxed and flexible vacation without the formality of traditional cruising. Other popular options like Princess Cruises, which is famous for its role in the TV show The Love Boat, Princess offers a more traditional and elegant cruising experience. The atmosphere is generally more subdued and classic than the major megaships, focusing on enrichment activities, diverse itineraries, and high-quality service. Geared towards couples, retirees, and multi-generational families who appreciate a more relaxed, destination-focused cruise with an emphasis on comfort, good food, and a slightly more upscale atmosphere. Celebrity Cruises is a premium cruise line. Celebrity offers a more sophisticated and modern experience. They are known for their elevated dining, art collections, and a focus on wellness and relaxation. The service is refined, and the ships have a contemporary, elegant design. Geared towards couples and groups of friends in their 30s to 60s who want a premium, resort-style vacation with an emphasis on fine dining, great service, and modern design. Holland America Line has a long history in cruising. Holland America is known for its classic, traditional atmosphere and a focus on enrichment. The ships are generally smaller and more intimate, offering a quieter and more relaxed experience with a focus on music, art, and culinary programming. Geared towards mature and relaxed cruisers, including couples and singles who are interested in destination-rich itineraries and a more traditional, refined onboard experience. Now we luxury cruising like Seabourn, which is a top-tier luxury cruise line known for its small, yacht-like ships and all-inclusive pricing. Every suite has an ocean view, and the service is highly personalized. The atmosphere is intimate and elegant, with a focus on gourmet dining and unique, curated experiences. Geared towards affluent, well-traveled adults who seek an all-inclusive, ultra-luxury experience with a high level of personalized service. Silversea Cruise Line is similar to Seabourn. Silversea offers an all-inclusive luxury experience on small ships. They are known for their spacious suites, all of which come with butler service. The focus is on a country club atmosphere with gourmet dining and a high staff-to-guest ratio. Geared towards sophisticated travelers, including solo cruisers and multi-generational families who value personalized, all-inclusive luxury and unique immersive itineraries. Family and traditional cruising. We are talking about Disney Cruise Line. As the name suggests, Disney is all about magic and storytelling. The ships are designed with families in mind, offering segregated areas for kids, teens, and adults. The experience is themed around Disney, Marvel, and Star Wars characters, with Broadway-style shows and an unparalleled level of service. Geared towards families with young children, but also adults who love Disney and want a high-quality vacation. Cunard Cruises is a line steeped in history and tradition, famous for its transatlantic crossings and White Star service. The ships have a classic, formal feel with grand ballrooms, formal dinners, and afternoon tea. The atmosphere is one of timeless elegance and sophistication. Geared towards Mature adults and couples who enjoy the classic, formal style of cruising and appreciate the rich history and traditions of sea travel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. And now, an important question. Who doesn't want to know which cruise line has the highest customer satisfaction? Determining which cruise line has the highest customer satisfaction is a complex matter, as it depends on the survey, the demographic being surveyed, and the specific criteria used. However, some lines consistently rank high in customer satisfaction, particularly within their niche. Disney Cruise Line. Often considered a top contender for overall satisfaction, especially among families. Disney is known for its exceptional service, high-quality entertainment, and attention to detail, which consistently earns it high marks in surveys. Luxury cruise lines. Luxury cruise lines like Seabourn and Silversea frequently receive stellar ratings. Their high staff-to-guest ratios, all-inclusive pricing, and personalized service lead to very high satisfaction among their affluent clientele. Celebrity cruises. For premium cruising, Celebrity is often highly rated for its modern fleet, sophisticated dining, and refined service, appealing to guests who want a more upscale experience without the luxury price tag. Viking cruises. Viking has a very loyal and satisfied customer base, particularly for its ocean and river cruises. Their focus on enrichment, destination-rich itineraries, and a consistent, no-children environment resonates strongly with their target audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Are you looking to set sail on a solo adventure but not sure which cruise line to choose? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the perfect cruise options for singles and solo travelers. Let's start with Norwegian Cruise Line, which has really revolutionized the solo travel experience. They were the first to introduce studio cabins specifically designed for single travelers. These cozy rooms are not only budget-friendly, but come with exclusive access to the studio lounge. Think of it as your private hangout spot where you can meet other solo travelers, grab a coffee, or just relax. Royal Caribbean is another fantastic option, especially if you're the social butterfly type. They've mastered the art of bringing solo travelers together through their Singles Mingles events. Picture yourself at themed parties, dance classes, and group excursions where you're guaranteed to meet like-minded adventurers. Now, let's talk about the incredible activities these cruise lines offer. From rock climbing walls and surf simulators to cooking classes and wine tastings, there's never a dull moment. And here's the best part. You don't need a travel companion to enjoy any of it. Want to catch a Broadway-style show? Go for it! Feeling like trying that exotic restaurant? No need to wait for anyone's approval. These cruise lines also organize special events specifically for solo travelers. Think speed dating nights, singles cocktail parties, and group dining options where you can share stories with other travelers. Some ships even have dedicated hosts who help break the ice and ensure everyone feels included. Virgin Voyages deserves a special mention too. Their ships are designed with a modern, adult-only approach, making them perfect for singles looking for a more sophisticated atmosphere. They offer social spaces like the Manor nightclub and group fitness classes that naturally encourage mingling. One of the best things about these cruise lines is their flexible dining options. Gone are the days of awkward solo dining experiences. With freestyle dining, you can choose when and where to eat, join group tables, or enjoy a peaceful meal while watching the sunset. It's entirely up to you. And let's not forget about the shore excursions. These cruise lines offer group activities at each port, making it easy to explore new destinations with others. Whether you're snorkeling in the Caribbean or exploring ancient ruins in the Mediterranean, you'll always have the option to join a group of fellow adventurers. So don't let being single hold you back from experiencing the magic of cruising. These cruise lines have created the perfect environment for solo travelers to feel comfortable, meet new people, and most importantly, have an unforgettable vacation on their own terms. The world is waiting for you. Why not explore it from the deck of a cruise ship? Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Hey there, fellow food lovers and cruise enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into a question I get asked all the time. Which cruise line serves up the best complimentary food? You know, the stuff you don't have to pay extra for. Let's break it down. After experiencing multiple cruise lines and talking to countless passengers, I have to give the crown to Celebrity Cruises. Now, let me tell you why this isn't just a random pick. First off, Celebrity's main dining rooms are on another level. We're talking about dishes you'd expect in high-end restaurants, like perfectly seared salmon with truffle risotto or tender beef tenderloin that melts in your mouth. And get this, it's all included in your fare. But what really sets Celebrity apart is their Ocean View Cafe buffet. Forget everything you know about typical cruise buffets. Here you'll find made-to-order stir-fries, fresh sushi, authentic Indian curries, and even a daily rotating selection of international specialties. The quality is consistently impressive, morning, noon, and night. Now let's talk about their breakfast game. Imagine waking up to made-to-order omelets with fresh ingredients, warm, flaky croissants baked on board, and smoked salmon that rivals what you'd find in a New York deli. And yes, all of this is included! But here's something many people don't know. Celebrity also offers complimentary between-meal venues. The Spa Cafe serves up healthy options like fresh smoothies and light salads, while their Cafe Al Baccio offers complimentary pastries with your coffee. Sure, other cruise lines have their strong points. Royal Caribbean has great casual options, and Princess Cruises does fantastic traditional dining. But when it comes to overall food quality, variety, and consistency in their complimentary offerings, Celebrity takes the cake, pun intended. Here's a pro tip. If you're sailing with Celebrity, don't feel pressured to book specialty restaurants. While they're excellent, the included dining options are so good that you won't feel like you're missing out if you skip the premium venues. Remember though, taste is subjective, and what works for one person might not work for another. But if you're a food enthusiast looking for the best included dining experience at sea, Celebrity Cruises should definitely be at the top of your list. Happy cruising and even happier eating. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help us grow our channel. Thank you for watching and ring that bell to receive notification on new videos.